Happy Tuesday! Miss Angela's here to say hi and let's do calendar. It is April 2020 and let's do the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday, the start of our week, and tomorrow is Wednesday. It is Tuesday, and it is April 21st, 2020. All right, calendar friends, we know what time it is. It's time to remind me, what did we say today was? Tuesday. You got it. It is Tuesday. Oh. And what comes after 20? 20, 21. You bet it is the 21st. Way to go. All right, any special days? Well, nothing extra special, but tomorrow is Earth Day. So just tomorrow, it's like one day away. And we're going to celebrate Earth Day. We're going to go over little things again on about Earth Day. Okay, let's pull this up for everybody. All right. Earth Day is a day that we celebrate the Earth that we live on. It is our planet, and we want to make sure she is happy, and we love her. And it's tomorrow. We celebrate Earth Day on the 22nd of April. Some things that we can do. We already talked about some things, but something that people really think is important to do is plant a tree. We don't have to just do it on Earth Day, but sometimes we have special days to make sure it reminds us of things that we like to do. So we plant trees. Why do we plant trees? Well, because trees give us oxygen. They produce oxygen from carbon dioxide. We all need oxygen to breathe, to live. So trees are very, very important. They clean the air. Another really important thing is they support our wildlife. We have birds, raccoons, opossums, a variety of animals that are all very vital to our ecosystem. So we like trees. They give us shade. They're just beautiful. So we want to make sure we have trees. Something else is picking up trash. It is super important. People like to clean the oceans that live on the coast. And if not, you can just walk around your neighborhood with a bag, and I'm sure you'll find a variety of different things that you can help clean up. And then we put them in the trash. We really like to keep our earth clean because we love her, and we want all future generations to have a beautiful earth to live on. We also talked about recycling, and recycling is taking one thing and converting it into something else. Now tomorrow I will show you what my kids have been working on with that bag of recycled materials that I showed you. And some of those things that we recycle are paper, cardboard, egg cartons, plastic bottles, tin cans. Is there something I left out that you can think of that we recycle? All right. Well, that was great. Thanks for listening to me about Earth Day. It's a very, very important day for us all, and I think it's going to be beautiful outside. So if nothing else, go out and join celebrating the beauty of our Earth. All right. And on that note, I am going to pick the kid cleaning trash along the parkways, just because that's a great way to celebrate. And if we are done with calendar, who can remind Miss Angela what time it is? Bump, bump, bump! It's time for the weather! You got it! It is time for us to see the weather. All right, wow, we've had a good run on some sunny days, I'll tell you. And if I am not mistaken, it is Sloth. Mr. Sloth decided he really wanted to help with the weather, so we need to be a little patient. Hi, Mr. Sloth. Hi. All right, we are going to go find out what the weather is today. All right, well, we are back to tell you it is another beautiful blue skies, full sun, day in Colorado. Wow, we are lucky here in Fort Collins. It is another beautiful sunny day in Fort Collins. All right. Whoa, we are going to need to count all these days. Everybody, please count with me. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. And how many days have we been charting so far? Let's count. So we have 10 sunny days, 2 cloudy days. So that's 12. We have 3 partly cloudy days, 12, 13, 14, 15. We had 1 rainy day, which is 16, and 1 snowy day, you carried 17. You are correct. Out of 17 days that we've been charting, we have 10 sunny days. Way to go. Let's see how many weeks we've been up to so far. We have 7 days in a week. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Let's count up from 14 to 17. Okay, 14, 15, 16, 17. 2 weeks and 3 days. And we have over a week of sunny days. Well, friends, thanks for sticking with me, doing some math. And Miss Angela and all our friends are here to tell you have a beautiful Tuesday, and we will see you tomorrow on Earth Day.